The Coach Ava Crossbody Bag is a stylish and versatile accessory that offers both functionality and fashion. Handbag crafted from high-quality materials and features a timeless design that is sure to complement any outfit. Review: the Coach Ava Crossbody Bag has received positive reviews from customers who appreciate its stylish design, functionality, and durability. Many customers have praised the bag's compact size and lightweight construction, making it easy to carry around all day long. Others have also commented on the bag's high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Description: the Coach Ava Crossbody Bag is a compact yet spacious bag that is perfect for carrying your essentials on the go. It features a zip closure to keep your belongings secure and a spacious interior that can accommodate your phone, wallet, keys, and other small items. The bag also has a front slip pocket for easy access to your frequently used items. Color: the Coach Ava Crossbody Bag is available in a variety of colors to suit your personal style. Some of the most popular colors include black, brown, red, and blue. The price of the Ava bag varies depending on the retailer and any current promotions. However, it typically ranges from $150 to $250. Size: the Coach Ava is a small to medium-sized bag, making it perfect for everyday use. The exact dimensions may vary slightly depending on the specific style and color. Overall, the Coach Ava Crossbody Bag is a stylish and functional accessory that is perfect for any woman who wants to add a touch of luxury to her everyday look. Its compact size, lightweight construction, and durable materials make it a great choice for busy women on the go.